Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea. Make seafood a staple on your weekly menus. It's flavorful, quick to prepare, and provides many health benefits.
And since only 1 in 10 people meet the recommended 2 seafood meals per week, aim to add more with these recipes.
Indian Spiced Halibut. In a bowl, add celery salt, sea salt, paprika, ground white pepper, and whisk together. Season halibut with mixture. Heat oil in pan and cook fish on each side. Garnish with chopped tomatoes and serve.
Shrimp Pilaf. In a large pan, heat olive oil and saute onion, garlic, and celery. Add rice, pour in stock, white wine, and lemon juice. Cover and cook. Remove cover, add shrimp, and cook. Stir in olives and feta, and season with salt and pepper.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.